If you want to be confident in your abilities and maintain high testosterone levels, then this video is definitely for you. I'll show you 5 of the best exercises that can naturally boost your testosterone levels. The 5th exercise is a game changer, so watch the video till the end. Let's get it. Testosterone is a steroid hormone produced primarily in the male testicles and to a lesser extent in the female ovaries. It acts as a messenger, influencing various bodily functions. While men typically have higher testosterone levels, women also rely on this hormone for bone health, energy, and hormonal balance. Low testosterone levels can lead to fatigue, reduced muscle strength, and other health issues. Whether you're a man or a woman, maintaining healthy testosterone levels is essential for optimal physical performance. Exercise, especially heavy resistance training, stimulates the body to produce more testosterone. When you challenge your muscles through activities like weightlifting or intense aerobic workouts, your endocrine system responds by signaling for increased testosterone production. Let's explore the 5 best exercises that can naturally enhance your testosterone levels. Exercise 1. Squats. Squats are a powerhouse exercise for building muscle mass and strength. They engage large muscle groups, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. By lifting heavy weights during squats, you activate the body's testosterone production. Aim for proper form and gradually increase the weight over time to maximize the testosterone boosting effect. How to perform squats correctly. Stand with your feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Toes should be pointed slightly outward, but look straight ahead and pick a spot on the wall in front of you. Tighten your stomach muscles to stabilize your spine. Lower your hips back and down, keeping your chest up and your back straight. Your knees should track over your toes. Aim for your thighs to be parallel to the ground or lower if possible. Push through your heels to stand back up. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement. Perform 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Exercise 2. Deadlifts. Deadlifts work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them one of the best testosterone boosting exercises. They target the upper and lower back, hamstrings, glutes, and core. Deadlifts also improve overall posture and stability. Remember to maintain proper form and gradually increase the weight as you become more proficient. How to perform deadlifts correctly. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Place the barbell over the middle of your feet. Use an overhand grip. Keep your shoulders back and down. Push through your heels and lift the barbell by extending your hips and knees simultaneously. Stand tall with your hips and knees fully extended. Hinge at your hips and bend your knees to lower the barbell back down. Keep the barbell close to your legs. Maintain a flat back throughout the descent. Perform 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Exercise 3. Bench press. The bench press is a classic compound movement that primarily targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. It's an excellent exercise for building upper body strength and stimulating testosterone production. Vary your grip to engage different muscle fibers and enhance hormonal response. How to perform a bench press correctly. Lie on a bench. Keep your feet flat on the ground. Create a strong base to generate power from the ground through your entire body. Squeeze your shoulder blades together to stay tight and protect your shoulders. Grab the bar tightly. Slowly lower the bar toward your lower chest as you breathe in. Keep your elbows pointed forward with your upper arms at around a 45-degree angle to your torso. Then lift the barbell up and return to the starting position. Perform 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Exercise 4. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are fantastic for developing the upper back, lats, and biceps. They require significant effort and engage multiple muscle groups. As you pull your body weight upward, your endocrine system responds by releasing more testosterone. How to perform pull-ups correctly. Hang from the bar with straight arms and your legs off the floor. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up and look up at the bar. Pull yourself up by bending your elbows and pulling them down toward the floor. Focus on engaging your back muscles. Go all the way up until your chin passes the bar, or the bar touches your upper chest. Lower yourself back down by extending your arms fully. Maintain tension in your back and core throughout the movement. Perform 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Exercise 5. High-intensity interval training. While not a specific exercise, high-intensity interval training deserves a mention. High-intensity interval training involves short bursts of intense activity followed by brief rest periods. This type of training has been linked to increased testosterone levels. Incorporate sprints, cycling, or bodyweight exercises like burpees into your routine. The intensity and variability of HIIT stimulate hormonal responses, including testosterone release. Factors to consider with testosterone-boosting exercises. 1. Progressive load. Gradually increase the weight or resistance to continually challenge your muscles. 2. Compound movements. Focus on exercises that involve multiple joints and muscle groups. 3. Rest and recovery. Allow sufficient rest between workouts to optimize hormonal balance. 4. Nutrition. Consume a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients. 5. Sleep. Prioritize quality sleep, as it directly impacts testosterone production. Additional strategies to boost testosterone levels. 1. Vitamin D. Ensure adequate sun exposure or consider supplementation. 2. Zinc. Consume zinc-rich foods or take supplements if needed. 3. Reduce stress. Chronic stress negatively affects testosterone levels. 4. Limit alcohol and sugar. Excessive alcohol and sugar intake can disrupt hormonal balance. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Build your anatomy, it's the only option. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. See you in the next one.